just making a video to show you something. The ceiling's giving way, it's starting to collapse. You can see through it now. Yeah, I just wanted to show this because this is obviously the floor above, where we're taking the floorboards up, and this is all starting to break and give way. And just to let you know, there you go, it's starting to come down. Personally, I don't think that's going to hold. As you can see, you can now see straight down to the basement area where someone's working. This here was literally that size of a fingernail, and it's going. The more we walk, the more it's going down. It's not safe.